Welcome to CJ Y Money Entertainment, and today we are freezing eggs, egg whites, and egg yolks. Stay tuned. Looked up and found out you could freeze eggs. So I have these molds that I do have. Hopefully I'll leave something up here. And I have some square ones and some round ones and some ice cube trays. And all you do is basically put the egg in there. Some will be egg whites. These square ones holds 2 small eggs. And I'm going to put them in here and put them in the baggie. Are the eggs that's left. I had 12 dozen of eggs. And this is the freezer bags. And I put 1 small egg in each ice cube tray. Some I separated. The whites, some I left the egg and the egg yolk. You can keep this up to, they say, a year. I'll probably do 6 months. You can defrost them. As soon as you defrost them, you can fry them. You can use them in cooking products. And I am going to start working on it and show you the process. Okay. These are them in this ice cube tray I got from Dollar Tree. And this is small eggs. I'll show you here. These are small, and these ice cube trays are pretty small, so it only takes 1 egg each. And then at the ends, if you notice, it's just the white of the egg, maybe for baking. Now I'm going to do them in my molds. I'm going to drop 2 eggs in this one because it's pretty deep, and do some round ones. Okay. Do not spray the bottom of these. That's not spray, that's just water. You don't. There's a prep. If you use the yellow, it will turn into a gelatin state. So you use about an 1/8 teaspoon of salt, only for the yolks.